Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard Dupey here. Today is Monday special, and I have something from Lucky Tuesday paper. That plan, I've shown it only once, and one of the number plate, but the picking that I did, that one is in. When I show it, it was in Asida, but I've never shown it on the YouTube before. It's very good today, and I'll urge you to follow it. If you can put the two events together, you can do that, because it's playing 3 from the event and all those things. So if you can put them together, you can put them together and win. Our national dropped 2 numbers, and I know because I've not said anything about it from yesterday, maybe some people might not remember. So if you feel like you want to send me something, I'll write my contact in this this particular video in the comment section, so you can go there and then send me whatever you feel like. Okay, let's go straight. First, let's look at this one, where it's in Lucky Tuesday year 2013. Please watch carefully. Okay, this particular plan at event 308, 51 play at center, then he put 13 under it, so you can see the 51 coming out as a full banker. The 51 will jump as a full banker. On that event, you can see 78 under the 13, 78 under the, so you can see 58, 51, 13, and then 78. So 78 as also one of the bankers, but we are picking the 51 here. As the 13 play, you will notice that they play some 47 in machine. So the 47 and 13, that was what plays at winning. So it's using the machine number also. So in machine, you can see 47 repeated in machine. So meaning for the 47 is good to also repeat. But that is not what we go here for. It's this 56. That is the main reason why we came here. This 5-6 over here is the reason. The 47 will play following week. The 56 will play also as a banker. So I'm going to be picking number from the winning and both machine. I've not shown, I told you, I've only shown it once, but that one I marked it on the paper and I put it in Asida, and they dropped 2 numbers, one from machine and one from winning. But this time around, because of what is said today, that is the main reason why I'm using it. So you can see the 51 play following week, 13 under it, then following week the 51 will jump as a full banker. Then because the 13 play with 47 is supposed to pick, so you can see 51 play following week the 13, and then the 47 will give you a win at Monday special. So checking, you can see that is the 13 and that is the 47. That gives you a win. So one from machine and one from winning. So the same time here, this time around, you can still see it's supposed to pick number from machine and supposed to pick number from winning also to play. But Lotto is some way. Now that this packing set, this event itself is also good to PERM. And even this one is also good to PERM. So sometimes you combine the two. But that is not, that one is just one of the confirmation. But let's move straight to the main one that I'm picking the numbers from. Those ones, they are all confirming the numbers that I'm using today. So let's move straight. Still in the Lucky Tuesday paper. When you move to the year 2010, this is the actual thing that I'm talking about. First, the 51 play at center, then you put 2 numbers in machine. That is 41, 31 in machine. That is the machine number that the plan is using. But at the same time, you can see the 51 playing with 45. So 2 numbers from winning and then machine to give you winning in the Monday special. That is, first you can see the 51 playing with the 45, one number from machine, one number from winning, but that is the machine numbers 41, 31 close. So one number from winning, one number from machine. Then following week you can see 38 play. That is last week 38. So as the 38 play, then he picked two numbers from machine. So you can see 13 and then 47 also in machine. 38, then 13, 48, 47 in machine. So you can see the first one I showed you, you can see the 47 in machine. So this time around I pick 38, 13 and then 47 in machine. So now let's see the winning, current winning, and then you will see this is the 38 after the 51 play. That is the 38 and that is the 13, 47. Three numbers, machine to winning event to give us the three numbers 38, 13 and then 47. So as this event gives us three numbers, it's even the first, I'm even getting it wrong. The first, they give us three numbers 83, 51 and then 43. That is the first one that gives us the three numbers before the machine number. So this one 38, 13 and then 47, also another three numbers. So this time around, these two events supposed to give us another three numbers again. So what I am guessing or thinking, because you can see first time the 83 play with 51 and then the 45 play as one in machine, he pick one in machine. Following week, one in winning and two in machine. This time around supposed to pick two at winning and one in machine. So because of that, you can see the 51 has jumped as a full banker. He play with it counter. That is the single six. That is the picking. The same time, if you remember the one that I've just shown, the 47 is supposed to give us 56. So the 56 is also there on the event. So in each machine, picking from machine, you will notice that the 13 counter to 58. The 13 counter to 58. So I'm picking this 58 because I'm thinking one number should play from the machine. Then in each winning, two numbers to play. If it increase it to four numbers from the picking, cool. So I'm using this 79, single 6, 51, 56 and then the 58 as the numbers that I've picked from the event, because this event is supposed to play at least four numbers. If it's going to increase it to three numbers because he play three again, then at least this one can play four. So because of that, I'm using that 58 to add to them to give us the five numbers. That is 79, single 6, 51, 56 and then 58. This event here is very, very strong. The reason why I'm using this 79 instead of the 24 is just simple, because the 38 and then the 13 locked the 79 in the middle. So you can even pick it from the down that is playing 42, following 51. Then following week 13 will play, put double 2 in each machine. Then following week we have this event locked in the middle. So the five numbers become 79, single 6, 51, 56 and then 58. But our best three, 51, single 6 and then 56. The reason why I'm not adding this 58 as the, or should I use the 58? If I use the 58 instead of the instead for the 56, you will notice that okay, let's make it this way because they are all on the five numbers. So let's not shake about it. Let me write it down, the five numbers down for you to see what I'm talking about. 79, 6, 51. You already know 51 is the full banker, so 58, the 13th counter. You let me use this one. single 6, 51, and then the 58 as the 3 number. I can use any of them as the 3 number because the key of the 56 is the 79. Then the 51 single 6 is now my neat counter before 13 also to counter to 58. So I'm going to use the 51 as the full banker, and then single 6 and then the 58 as the 2 shots, both 2 shots to join them to play. So when you come to current, you will notice I've already come here to show how it's doing. So you can see the 83 and then the 51 close, then 2 numbers in machine, that is 41, 31. Then following week the 38 will play, then the 47 and then the 13 will play in machine. So it's the same thing that is doing. So we only hope you play for us. This is the 5 numbers. I'll write it at the description below, so you can go there and check it out and check the 5 numbers out. But if you want to put the event together, they are all in Lucky Tuesday. This event 185, you can put the 2 events together. And also the first one I've shown is also in event 310. You can put the 2 together. So thank you very much for being here. We hope and pray for a win. Bye for now. I'll write the number in the description below, so you go there and then you check it out.